لقد سمع الله قول الذين قالوا إن الله فقير ونحن أغنياء سنكتب ما قالوا وقتلهم الأنبياء بغير حق ونقول ذوقوا عذاب الحريق.
Allah has heard the saying of those who said, Allah is poor, and we are rich. We shall record what they have said, and the fact of their slaying the prophets unjustly, and we shall say to them, Taste now the torment of the fire.
ذلك بما قدمت أيديكم وأن الله ليس بظلام للعبيد.
That is in recompense for your own deeds. Allah does no wrong to His servants.
الذين قالوا إن الله عهد إلينا ألا نؤمن لرسول حتى يأتينا بقربان تأكله النار قل قد جاءكم رسل من قبلي بالبينات وبالذي قلتم فلم قتلتموهم إن كنتم صادقين.
To those who say, Allah has directed us that we accept none as messenger until He makes an offering that the fire will consume. Say, other messengers came to you before me with clear signs, and with the sign you have mentioned. So why did you slay them, if what you say is true?
فَإِن كَذَّبُوكَ فَقَدْ كُذِّبَ رُسُلٌ مِّن قَبْلِكَ جَاءُوا بِالْبَيِّنَاتِ وَالزُّبُرِ وَالْكِتَابِ الْمُنِيرِ.
Now if they give the lie to you, then other messengers who came with clear signs and scriptures and the illuminating book were also given the lie to before you.
كل نفس ذائقة الموت وإنما توفون أجوركم يوم القيامة فمن زحزح عن النار وأدخل الجنة فقد فاز وما الحياة الدنيا إلا متاع الغرور.
Everyone is bound to taste death, and you shall receive your full reward on the day of resurrection. Then whoever is spared the fire and is admitted to paradise has indeed been successful. The life of this world is merely an illusory enjoyment.